Physics part 304. Let's see our example. A 500 U farad capacitor is connected to a 10 V supply and is then discharged through a 100 kilo omega resistor. We are required to calculate A. Calculate the initial charge stored by the capacitor. B. Charge the initial discharge current. C. The value of the current. Calculate the value of the time constant. D. Calculate the charge on the plates after 100 seconds. E. Calculate the time at which remaining charge is 2.5 into 10 to the power raised to minus 3C. Well, now it's our turn. A 5.0 U farad capacitor is charged from a 12 V battery and is then discharged through a 0.5 meter omega resistor. Calculate the initial charge on the capacitor. Calculate the charge on the capacitor 2.0 second after the discharge starts. Calculate the potential difference across the capacitor at this time. Well, I would like to share with you the summary. A capacitor stores charge. Its capacitance is C, given by C is equal to Q over V, where Q is the charge on the capacitor when there is a potential difference V between its plates. The unit of capacitance is the farad, which is 1 coulomb per volt. The energy stored in the charge capacitor is given by E is equal to 1 over 2 QV is equal to 1 over 2 CV square is equal to 1 over 2 Q square divided by C. The equivalent capacitance of C of capacitors connected in series is given by 1 over C is equal to 1 over C1 plus 1 over C2 plus 1 over C3, and the series goes on. The equivalent capacitance of C of capacitors connected in parallel is given by C is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3, and it goes on. When a charged capacitor discharges, the charge on the plates decays. The plates decay exponentially. The equation for the decay is Q is equal to Q naught E power raised to minus UCR. The time constant for the circuit given by the CR is the time for the charge to decay, 1 over E of its initial value. We've got some section questions for you. Number 1, a parallel plate capacitor has rectangular plates of sides 200 mm by 30 mm. The plates are separated by an air gap 0.5 mm thick. The permittivity of free space is 8.85 into 10 to the power raised to minus 12 Fm minus 1. Calculate the capacitance of the capacitor. Capacitor is connected to a 12 V battery. Calculate the charge on each plate. Calculate the electric field between the plates. Well, the figure shows an arrangement of the capacitor. Calculate the capacitance of the arrangement. The 4U